Hey guys, we're doing a bike ride in with our friend Miko. Hey Miko.
AKA.
Brandon, my brother.
AKA.
And myself.
AKA.
And this is gonna be an uncut, so yeah.
AKA.
This is how we technically get our things ready. Oh,
No.
we're good?
No.
Oh my. Okay, who's going first?
Me.
Whoa.
Come on.
Ah! This is hard holding a phone. Oh jeez. I don't even know if you can see anything. Bruh. We need to go on the big open space one. Big open space one because that one has more space and shade. I really don't know what hand I should be holding on with this phone, but crap! I need to slow down a little bit. Oh god, dude. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, we're just biking. Miko, we're not going that way! You went there again! Come on, Miko. Oh my god. What'd you say? Stop. What about Miko? Oh my gosh. Wrong way again! We need more space.
I'm just going home.
Really?
Dude, like, this is the best way.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
But the other way is more chill. Yeah, Miko. Okay, I'm walking. So this is technically what we've been doing on a daily basis. Just riding our bikes. You good? You good?
Yeah,
Okay. Sure, we're gonna catch up with you though. Oh crap.
What the heck?
That's Brandon. Bruh, stop. It's because you have your backpack on, dude. You're wrecking your backpack. Whoa! Did it poke you? Did it poke you? Did it poke you? Ah, it bumps. Did it poke you? Okay. I know, right? I did too. Not all of them, but like a few. So weird, just doing my phone everywhere, and so people are just like, the frick? Like, just like, ah! Ball! 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 Ball my shoe! Jump! Jump! Oh my gosh. Rip shoe. Rip shoe. I need a bath.
Hashtag rip shoe.
Oh no! Guys! Chain. Hold the camera. do it. Oh, what the?
What?
It's all over the place. Watch out! Oh, bro!
Sorry. Got it?
It's
gonna be.
No. This is in the wrong way.
Sorry, Brandon. Okay.
I know. No.
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? Put the chain on. Put it in the wrong thing now.
It's not in the wrong way.
Yeah, it is.
Uh-uh.
Okay. Oh, so... It's not gonna work. Miko, it's not gonna work. Miko! What are you doing? What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm fixing it, dude.
Yeah.
Here, look. What the frick did we do?
What the frick did you do?
What the frick? How? Oh, I see the problem. There we go. Already see it. Everybody's saying, oh, this kid's dumb.
Yeah.
Ah, my God.
Dude.
Oh, I think I just got my face all gasoline-y. I got it. Woo! Give me my phone. How long did that take?
Wow. It's like
What?
a dead mouse. That's sick.
Okay. Oh gosh, that took a while. I don't know why. How long did that take? Like 2 minutes? Miko, wait. Yeah. Oh. Miko, we gotta wait. For Brandon. Oh God. What the heck even happened? Ow. I got itchy from doing that. Ew. It's crazy. Miko! Dude, wait! Wait! Guys, stop. Brandon, are you gonna walk this? Just be careful. You guys get all crazy over this part. Brandon, get your own space, okay? It's gonna be fine. There we go. Free rolling. Dude, wait! Dude, seriously, Miko, what? Dude, please wait. It might. Ah! I feel like I got bit by something. I don't know, that's just me. Miko, just put our bikes right over here. Right over here, dude. Miko. Over here. No, we're gonna do it right over here, okay? We just don't want anybody looking at our bikes while we're in the river thing.
Dude.
Just put them somewhere. Nobody will take them, I don't think. Here. Just put them back here. Guys. I'm putting mine back here. Pretty sure nothing will go wrong anyways, but just... Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video with my brother Brandon, Miko. We're gonna be, we just did a bike vlog, that's pretty much it. We're gonna be chilling here for a bit. Then we are going to be going back, but I don't really want to make a video of that long because it's already at like 12 minutes. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Goodbye.
Smash that like button.
Peace.
Smash that like button.
I guess you can, but I mostly sometimes get more dislikes than likes, but that's just you guys. If you guys don't like my content, then you don't have to watch. You can dislike if you want. I'm honestly not a mean person sometimes, maybe to my brother, but yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and goodbye. So long.